I'm Regan, I'm a dietitian and we're here today in Moree. Moree's like a nice little town, about 5 hours north of Newcastle. I think it's very special out here, so much to see, a lot to do, and the people are amazing. I think there's a big myth around that there's nothing to do in the country. There's always something on, there's balls, there's races, there's heaps of community events, there's orange festivals, art festivals, there's beautiful sunsets, there's Mount Caputar, which is a beautiful mountain range and national park. It's a lovely walk. I grew up in Temwa. I suppose coming from those areas, I appreciate the barriers and struggles that we have in these areas for healthcare. I think it's good working in a rural place because you do see a bit more of a, I suppose, generalist type of vibe. You're not specialised necessarily to one area, you see a bit of everything. Each day you might go from seeing a baby and then the next person might be a palliative care type person. So when you're sort of still trying to figure out what you want to do, it's good because you can figure out what you do like a bit more than others, but also you get a little bit of everything. My advice would be take the leap, do it. It's probably going to be one of the best placements you ever do. That's probably was my experience, and we hear that from so many students that come through as well. You're so supported out here, so lots of supervisors, heaps of support from the uni, and also you build those lifelong connections that you can take out into the workforce that you might not get elsewhere because it's such a tight-knit community. You'll probably have those connections for life.